Okay, I think we're about ready to get started. Okay, I will let Sheriff Wells introduce his team.
Thank you, John. Hey, welcome everyone. I just want to, first of all, I want to thank North River. This has been a great competition here for, I think, 5 years in a row. So thank y'all very much. It's a great partnership. Appreciate y'all. I got with me today Deputy Juan Phillips, Deputy Mark Farrier, Deputy Nelson Hernandez. This is the A-Team in shape and ready to go. Would you like the t-shirts? Very nice t-shirts. Next year we'll wear our own.
Thank you, Sheriff. Okay, we're going to have Matthew introduce the firefighter.
The winning team. First, we got Coop. Then we got Benshaw, the man, the myth, the legend, Gavin Greenman, our secret weapon.
All right, guys. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Cheer 'em on! Cheer 'em on! Look. Cheer 'em on! Cheer 'em on! Well, that's right. It's a team thing, right? So Ricky can collect them. Yeah. There you go. Good. Good job. Collect your wrappers. All right. What's the time? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. We're eating a lot of donuts, guys. Oh. All right. What? All right. This is a great competition, guys. We got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. All right. We got a great competition. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Done. All right. Our judges will come through. Let's hear it for all of the participants. We got sheriffs, 18 combined, 18 and a half. We got them. We got the sheriffs win again. Got them. Hey, it was a close one though. The firefighters 8-16, sheriffs 18. There we go. There we go. Smile pretty. Our first category will be 7 to 10s. All right. I think we're ready. Are we ready, guys? I'm going to count you down to 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!